So as you can see, I got a little friend trying to make a home underneath the bike. But here's the little dent in the tank, which I can repair if you don't know how to do the body work. I can help you with that. Okay, back here, I got the extra rear set for this. Here's a little hookup I was telling you about. And as you can see, everything up here is intact. Boom, I had an extra starter and key that I was using because you don't have a key for it to try and fire it up. I can give you that as well. And this is gone. You can see one of these forks might be good, but I wouldn't chance it. I mean, they look kind of messed up, but so that's that. That's it, pretty much. As far as the frame goes, oops, dropped the phone. It's good. This is where it sustained all the damage, and you can see it's got a little tiny scratch right there, but that's it. No cracks, no breaks, no bends, nothing like that. Okay, and new radiator you're probably gonna need. All right.
Ooh. All right, so new project. Y'all see it. This one's been on under the wraps for a good while now. How long? Like a couple months?
Something like that. It's been a cool minute.
Finally gonna get it home and ooh. All right, I'm coming, bro. I'm coming. 3 ramp deep over here. We got to be all safe and shit. Oh Lord. Oh, damages. It's on film. All right, hold on. Let me get this settled. Okay. Wait. I'm coming right now. All right. Damn, these ramps feel woozy doozy, bro. I promise. Don't do it right.
Ain't gonna.
Alright. So how we doing it?
Same way. Come over here, grab this side. Down is gonna be a whole lot easier then.
Yeah?
Yeah. Make sure it's more straight.
Oof, boy. That thing get close to that radiator. We fucked up when we start rolling. That was magical.
I told you coming down is a whole lot easier than going up. Or is it going up against the wall?
Right there. Right there. We are ready. We got a spot. Okay. I can't go that far. Oh, yeah. Whoa.
Pull that back out.
This bitch, get over there.
What you need is some jack stands like I had.
I got some jack stands in here. Well, what I'm gonna do is put that back on the stand. I'll put this back on the stand.
Well, you gonna have to unbend that right there.
What?
Or actually, yeah, unbend it or take it out, put another one in, another bolt.
Yeah, I'll put another one in, but I'm gonna use the regular side for now. This is good like it is right here. That's how.
You want this up against here? I'll swing it.
Yeah. There you go. Reach. Okay, you reach a little bit. It's gonna fall up. Here you go.
Thank you.
Yes, sir. It's that front wheel, huh?
Oh,
Move that toolbox.
whew. That was fun. That was fun. your tail like that?
Huh?
Your tail like that?
Where? Oh, it's inside.
Wait.
Oh, got you.
It's still shine.
I forget.
Yeah,
02 rear end with 03 fairings on it.
Hey, that's what it had on there, bro. It had some weird shit on there.
Got an 02 tail light.
Yeah.
Are you doing it okay, partner?
Oh, the door was, the shit was open?
Yeah, so he had to creep through there. He be mad about it.
It ain't even all that. And if it's all that, just should have just got on the street and took your way all the way to your house.
I'm too short to be tripping. I'm serious, man. I'm 45 years old, man. I've been through too much drama in my life. I'm tripping on it now.
Bro, exactly. So I don't even bother.
I mean, don't get me wrong. I get mad like anybody else, but I get over that shit quick.
You know what I'm saying?
I ain't gonna let it mess with me for 3-4 days.
Yeah,
I'm
exactly,
not
man. 3-4 days.
Nah,
They missed out on some blessings and shit.
Yeah.
Fuck. Man. And it was on camera. Anything would have happened, camera was on. So. You good?
Yeah. Oh, it's damn seatbelt. I was like,
Oh man, I don't know. It sounded like some. I thought like a homeless man ran up on you or something. I heard of some. I heard it. I heard a little bit of that. Ooh man, y'all thought this 02 came in looking pretty rough. This came in hot, hot, overcooked. Oh man. Ooh. Not gonna be able to have a full tank. You're gonna have to take that fuel pump out, and I'm gonna have to hit that out. Get that running. Hopefully I can put power to this thing.
so
Alright, talk to me, brother man.
I don't know if it was the ignition that I had, because I had an R6 ignition hooked up to it.
Okay.
Trying to get it to go. So maybe that's a but this one wouldn't work. When I was like the key would come on, fuel pump would prime, but this would not kick. I don't know if maybe it was because of the ignition I was using. I don't know. But what I did was right here on the solenoid. Where's the solenoid at? Right here. I connected. You got a remote start?
Yeah, I got a little button.
Yeah, that's what I said. I just connected to that, and you'll hear it when even if you put a brand new battery on it, it'll go. So it's like the starters on these R1s. I've had a lot of issues with those. So it sounds like it's a dead battery, but it's not. You'll buy a brand new battery, and you'll be like, and like sometimes it'll start and then it won't, and then it'll sound like a dead battery. It's the starter. So I had a starter. I borrowed it from somebody, but I never. Ain't gotten around to it yet.
Well, you still got the starter?
Yeah.
I need the starter.
That's not my starter.
Hey, you ain't using them, know what's up.
Yeah, you heard me say I borrowed it?
You know what? I think I have. You know what? I might have one at work. Because the one that came in is a 06.
You same.
Yeah, same everything.
It's still both up the same. 04 to 06, same generation.
So the 06 that came in, ooh, and it's got a red tank. Candy red tank. With candy red fairings.
You should see if they'll let you trade it.
What?
Give them that tank, take the red one.
He might. He might.
A couple dollars more.
No, honestly, if I come in with like some of them parts and just miscellaneous and shit and throw some of the parts off of
My
this.
phone did not just hit me in the ankle. What the hell is going on with my pocket?
Oh, nah, because you've been missing money all day. You better go check yourself.
What the hell?
You better not put no money in that pocket.
No.
Walk in the house. Damn,
like,
somebody dropped some money.
Bam.
Jeez.
What the heck just hit me in the ankle?
It's a wrap.